Yagmur Yuksel has given a new interview recently, and not only that, she has given the interview, she has also talked very beautifully in the new interview. Yes, guys, Yagmur Yuksel had recently given a new interview, and Yagmur was looking so pretty and stunning. She talked about Baris baktas. She said, "Can Çiçekleri could not be a big fame without Baris." She said Baris also equally contributed to the success of the show, and he worked so much beautifully with her, and they were so much happy and delighted. So Yagmur Yuksel talked about Baris baktas in the awards ceremony.